Good day, everyone. We are here to present our topic, Understanding the Genetically Modified Organism or the GMOs and their importance in the Philippines. I'm Ronel M. Paduada, and together with my group mates, we'll explain that GMOs are shared examples found in our country and discuss their benefits and impacts on our society.
What exactly is GMO? GMO stands for Genetically Modified Organisms. It's any living organism like plants, animals, or microorganisms whose DNA has been deliberately altered using modern biotechnology. Scientists can insert specific genes from one organism into another to give it traits it wouldn't naturally have. Think of it like editing the DNA blueprint. Just like updating a building blueprint, scientists can modify DNA to make an organism more resistant to pests, diseases, or environmental stresses like drought or flooding. These changes are done in controlled laboratories to ensure they are precise, safe, and effective. The main goal is to solve real-world problems like increasing crop yields, improving nutrition, and making food production more sustainable.
Now let's look at some GMOs that are present and developed in the Philippines. Here are the three examples. First one is the BT corn. The BT corn was the first GMO crops approved in the Philippines in 2002. It contains a gene from a soil bacterium that helps the corn produce a natural protein toxic to corn borers, the main pest. This reduces the needs for pesticides, lower production costs, and increase harvest yield. BT corn has improved the incomes of many Filipino farmers, especially in Cagayan Valley and Mindanao. The second one is the golden rice. The golden rice is genetically engineered to produce beta-carotene, a source of vitamin A that helps prevent blindness and malnutrition. Scientists added genes from corns and the bacterium into ordinary rice. It aims to fight vitamin A deficiency, which affects many Filipino children. In 2021, the Philippines became the first country to approve its commercial planting. The last one is the BT eggplant. The BT eggplant contains the same Bacillus thuringiensis genes as BT corn, making it resistant to the fruit and shoot borer, a pest that destroys eggplants. Studies show it can reduce pesticide use and increase yield. Though still under evaluation for biosafety, it is being studied by UP Las Bañas or UPLP and shows strong potential to help local farmers and improve food safety.
So these are the key benefits of GMOs. GMOs have several important benefits. In agriculture, they help farmers grow more food by protecting crops from insects, drought, and diseases. In health, GMOs like golden rice help fight malnutrition by adding essential nutrients to staple foods. For the environment, they reduce the need for chemical pesticides, which means less pollution and safer ecosystem. Overall, GMOs can make farming more efficient and sustainable, an important step for developing country like the Philippines, where food security remains a major concern.
For farmers, GMOs can increase crop yields and reduce pesticide use, helping them more earn. However, GMO seeds are expensive and often make farmers dependent on seed companies. For consumer, GMOs can improve food quality and help keep food prices stable, but some people are still concerned about health effects and the lack of GMO labeling. For the environment, GMOs can reduce chemical pollution and help conserve soil, yet they may also reduce biodiversity and cause pests to become resistant over time. For the economy, GMOs can be boost agricultural production and support by the biotechnology development. However, the benefits are uneven, with big companies gaining more than small farmers.
To summarize, genetically modified organisms are scientific innovation that can help solve hunger, malnutrition, and crop loss in our country. However, they must be used responsibly and ethically to balance progress with safety. GMOs are not just about science. They're about providing better food, better health, and a better future for Filipinos. So, thank you for listening, and we hope you've learned something valuable about GMOs in the Philippines.